7 minutes from my place, Zollikerberg. Just 7 minutes by bus, not one. So nice. And let's section over there. I'm going to another park today. Strandbad Tiffin area. Nice walkway right next to the park. હું તને ફોન કરું પાછો બી
Brussels sprouts.
Okay, I'll get this one. The one you see? That one, yeah. Small, yeah. Camembert cheese?
Yes, it's
What kind of cheese?
the cheese one that it's really soft inside.
Okay, that's it. So like a cheese vegetable sandwich. Like open it. Oh,
A little bit hard outside and soft inside.
ah, cool. Got it. That's the veggie one. How much is that?
It's $5.90.
Okay.
And then we have the sandwich. This one it's also with cheese, but it's normal cheese. The
Got it.
cheese, eggs. You like black coffee, cappuccino?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Tiramisu. Yes, please.
Vegetarian. This is vegetarian. This is veggie also. Yes.
4. So no fish products, right?
Fish, we have the shrimps.
No, I
and
don't
the-
want fish. Yeah, that one. So that's out. No meat, fish. And this one, what does it have? That thing or the egg salad sandwich?